My name is Carrie Preisler. I am a Customer Service Representative at GSC, and I started in 2018. I have been in customer service for a little over 30 years. GSC takes the time to connect with you to determine your software, training, and consulting needs. We're more interested in a partnership than just a sale. When you call in, you will be speaking with an actual person who will be able to assist you right away. Customer service is always available to answer any questions that you have or to get you in touch with the right department or person to either assist you with the purchase of new software or to just keep you up to date on your subscription. Subscription is helpful because it keeps your SolidWorks software current and relevant, and it also gives you the security of knowing that you have competent technical support whenever you need it. Customer service is always available to answer your questions, to get you in touch with the right department or person to assist with sales of new software. And we're also here with our subscription service to keep you up to date.